Hello everybody, sorry for the noise or from the game, but here's my first ever Emergenyc video. So yeah, we're playing on the Manhattan map. So yeah, just give us 1 second and he'll load. Okay. Oh, I did not mean to click that. Oh, I'm turning down the settings too, yeah. Well, I'm turning down the volume a bit. Nothing. Oh, it's because the game is loading. Yeah. Or it's because I'm recording. One of them. Anyway, it's gonna be at 22 volume. Okay, we're gonna be driving ladder 66 and engine 32. Actually, let's go ahead and spawn everything. So, it's gonna start lagging when it spawns everything. So yeah, give it 1 second. Dang, settings! Keep opening and shutting. Okay, like I said, we're gonna be driving ladder 66. So yeah, we're just gonna wait here. We're gonna wait for a call. Engine 32. And there's another bay door for 4th Division, but 4th Division doesn't go to anything, so see, there's nothing in it. Only if I spawn it myself. So we're gonna go ahead and wait for a call. Go ahead and force a call. We're going to spawn into box 0374 for a first alarm. Unison route ladder, engine 149 first due, engine 28 second due, engine 32 third due, tower ladder 111, tower ladder 68 fourth due, ladder 66 fifth due, and battalion 5 sixth due. I think. I don't know. So we're gonna go ahead and use 66. Go ahead and drive over to the car. Engine on, lights on, parking brake off. Let's go. Wait. I'm at AI 32. Oh no, it's one of those. Oh god. I think it's right here. I'm saying. Okay. So we're gonna head and get 32. Dang it. Oh, it's glitched. Okay, so I can't AI 32. So let's go and drive 66 then. My fault. I did not mean to hit the wind up button. I did not mean to hold that horn either. There's no smoke showing, so I'm not sure if it's a false alarm or what. So 49. We'll get 68 now. Ooh, I just glitched. Okay. Alright. Ladder 68, tower ladder 68 en route. Not sure if there is a fire in here, so I'm gonna check it out before I get anything else over here. I don't quite see where fire is, so yeah, this was a false alarm. So dispatch, false alarm for the fire at box 0374. I think that's what it is. The box is. Wait, let me see. I don't know. Okay. So let's go ahead and drive these units back to their station. And don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel. Okay. Why is she walking on the street? Oh. Everyone else is walking on the sidewalk. And she just picks to walk on the street. And now she's on the sidewalk. What'd that do? Okay. Bruh. 68. Fit in here. You're taking forever. Like so. Okay. $66. Okay. Oh, I also like these lights on here. Look at that. Alright. What is that? Okay, so let's see where the station is now. Should we? Oh god, I drove all the way from there to here. Okay. Oh yeah, I did drive over here. Can't even turn down there. Unless it's an emergency, but it's not. I think we can turn down this way. Yeah. Yep. Okay. Bag it in. Bro, what am I hitting? Oh. Alright, to be honest, let's explore this station. Because I've explored this station many times, but not on camera. So, I think this leads outside. Yeah. I think it's just a bay in this firehouse. Yeah, it's just a bay. There isn't no why I keep saying there isn't no like dining area or whatever. I don't think. It's just the bay area. Yeah. Okay. I'm gonna go ahead and wait for another call. Even though I said wait, I'm forcing a call. Okay. But so we're responding to box 0203. Okay. So what is first due? 49. Okay. We'll get 49. We're gonna go by order, in order. First due, second due, third due, whatever. Oh, and it's just around the corner. No wonder they called the station. Dang, I'm not even hitting the smoke from the top floor. Wait. F2. Oh, there is a fire. Okay. Next is Agent 32. Oh. Second due engine is on scene. Oh my god. Okay. Squad 28. Really don't need a squad, but it's on the list, so we're gonna get it. Oh, it always spawns in a cage like. That's so loud. and we're not Seattle from cut off, so 66 would take over 68's place. So we're en route. Ladder 66 is en route. Hold on, I gotta do something real quick. Alright, wait. This truck ain't got no stabilizers? Whatever they're called? Wait. No, for real. They don't. Okay. Go ahead and use a deck gun for over here. This is a deck. This if the deck gun can reach over here, all the way up there. And the ladder wasn't even lined up. That, what is it, 49? Okay. After this fire, video will be over. Oh god. It's shooting, oh my god. What engine, what am I? 32? Oh my god, I don't like when it echoes here. Alright, I'm gonna keep playing, guys, and this is all I wanted to do to show you guys. So, peace, I'm out.